Child Psychology for Parents and Teachers, age group 10 to 13 years. For this age group, we have 3 videos. Part 3, issues faced by the child, and part 3.1, helping the child overcome the issues. And in this segment, we are going to discuss about health and well-being education for children. This part 3.2, it is divided into 2 videos, part 3.2a and part 3.2b. What we are going to discuss in this segment is, we are going to speak about some life skills which will help the children to face their challenges boldly in their life. If they master the life skills that we are going to discuss in this segment, definitely they will face the challenges boldly in life. Online safety. It is very important for every child to protect their privacy online. When they create a profile to log into any social media, they have to be very careful about certain things. For example, they need not give their full name when they create their profile. They can give only one first name or their nickname. And when they set the profile picture, they have to be very careful, because people may download the profile picture, they may make some changes in the picture, and they may make fun of you. So be careful when you set the profile picture. Next thing is, they need not give complete home address, and they need not fill the mobile number details also. All these things are some of the safety measures they can follow online. In few cases, we have seen people, they become friends on Facebook or on some other social media platform. All of a sudden, one day, they decide to meet in a private place. See, this kind of meeting should be avoided, or whenever they meet their friends, their Facebook friend or any social media friends for the first time, it is always better to have an adult with them. These kind of measures they have to follow in order to be safe. Managing change and transition. Students in this age, they need to know about puberty. When they attain puberty, lot of changes are taking place in their body. Lot of new hormones are produced in their body. Their external body structure also will change. People should know about all these changes, why it happens, how it happens. There are some students who are very excited when they talk about this kind of topic, and they like to hear these kind of changes. Voluntarily they will ask you why this is happening, what kind of change is this, how to manage this. All these kind of questions they will voluntarily ask you, because they like to talk about this particular topic. They are very curious to know about what kind of changes are taking place in their body. But there are some students in this age, they hesitate to talk about this. They feel embraced. They don't like to talk about this particular topic. So it is very important, whenever we talk to those kind of children, we have to make them comfortable. We have to prepare their mind to listen to this particular topic. Once you prepare them, then you can explain them about the hormonal changes and what are the changes take place outside the body. All these kind of things can be explained, and right information about puberty must be explained to all the people. Peer influences. Children in this age group, always they will be in group. They love to be with their friends. And you ask your child to sit comfortably and think about their friends. You ask 2 questions to your child. First one, what are the good things you learn from your friends? Let them list out. Second question, what are the bad things you learn from your friends? Let them make a list. This simple activity will help them understand what kind of influence their friends have on them. Whether it is a positive influence or negative influence, let them decide. And each child, they need to make sure that they learn the good behavior from their friends.